Today, less than 1% of India invest beyond fixed deposits.
Essentially, the money which I hold in my hand and the money which farmer hold in a remote village, value of that is not same.
So the goal of CoinSwitch is making money equal for all.
So CoinSwitch is started by me, Ashish and Govind 4.5 years back.
We three have been friends for over 14 years and we are hackers.
We have participated in all major hackathons like Google Summer of Code, LinkedIn Hack, Sequoia Hack.
And interestingly, CoinSwitch was founded as a hack itself, which later grew to what it is today.
And in just a short span of time, we have onboarded more than 14 million users in just a short span of time, and this is constantly growing. This shows the level of adoption which can go in coming years for cryptocurrencies in India particularly.
So before looking at crypto, let's look at the tech behind crypto, which is blockchain.
The underlying technology on which cryptocurrencies run is blockchain, is a peer-to-peer system, and it is secured by cryptography.
Since price of a crypto varies from one exchange to another, we built something like a Make My Trip, helping user discover as well as convert crypto on our platform.
From there, we have seen how it has resonated with users, how they have liked the simplicity and has helped them to diversify their investment portfolios.
Something drastic happened in 2020.
When RBI ban got removed in India, the primary focus was that nobody in India was focusing on retail investment. So the way it started is that we wanted to create a very simple to use experience where it's easy to buy and sell with a one click.
And that's where we launched in India on June 2020. We enable you to buy and sell crypto with a click of a button, helping user invest as low as $100 into crypto.
Anybody can create an account, whether it is a 24, 25-year-old young man or a senior citizen. Anybody can use it very seamlessly.
Tomorrow's technology would be blockchain. When you're starting an online business, most of the infrastructure you would be using would be built on blockchain through the crypto tokens itself. So we believe that this is the Web 3.0, the new internet itself.
Currently, this industry is in making, and CoinSwitch acting as paving a path for the next technology for Web3 platform to evolve in India.
Blockchain enables the transfer of value from one person to another without the need of a trusted third party. So today, if I'm transferring you money, I may have to use Paytm or a bank to enable a transaction between you and me. Crypto or blockchain allows that to happen directly between you and me, and network take care of the trust part of the ecosystem.
Cryptocurrencies are in existence from over a decade. Also, every day we are seeing adoption of cryptocurrency, not only limited to trading, but in many other use cases.
And when it comes to cryptocurrency, the beauty of it is that it's a technology which essentially is global in nature.
Crypto is a good asset class, but highly risky and rewarding at the same time. So make sure that you only put your risk capital into crypto.
So you should always diversify your portfolio first thing, and whenever you are taking any investment decision, please do your own research.
In India, a lot of us believe that in order to grow in life, earning more is the only option. What CoinSwitch want to change is that growing money is equally important, right? So today we are a crypto company. Tomorrow we would be helping you invest into stocks, mutual fund, gold, ETFs, and creating a more larger portfolio for yourself, where crypto is a part of your portfolio, not your entire portfolio itself.
CoinSwitch is paving a path for the Web3 technology as it's emerging in India, and
what we build at CoinSwitch today would be the norm of tomorrow.
People who are building it today will be leaders of tomorrow.